Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronit Kumar Soni and in this video we are gonna solve a MongoDB interview question. The question is handle invalid MongoDB object ID. Here as you can see it, question number 7. Uh, in real world application, the user can something and send wrong or invalid ID. If we directly query MongoDB using invalid ID, our backend can throw errors. So before fetching the data, we should validate the MongoDB object ID. Right now, my project is already opened in VS Code. Let me open in terminal. Uh, so I'm gonna initialize the project, Node.js project npm. For initializing the project, here command is npm init-y. This command create a package.json file automatically. Now I am gonna install require packages. We need to Express or Mongoose. Express helps us to create APIs. And Mongoose helps us to connect Node.js with MongoDB. Now I wanna install. Now I'm going to. Now I also wanna install NodeMon. NodeMon automatically restart the server whenever we make changes in the code. Now I'll create a file name which is called server.js. Now let's start the coding. First I'm gonna import Express and Mongoose. Now I'll create Express app. Now I'll define port number. Now I wanna connect MongoDB with my Node.js application. So now I am going to open MongoDB Compass. Inside Compass, I have already one connection named which is called full stack assignment. Now from there, I'll copy connection string. Here, now I'll paste this string. Here TestDB is a database name. If TestDB doesn't exist, MongoDB will automatically create it. Now I'll create user schema. Schema defines the structure of the data. Now I'll create user model. Here object ID users is collection name. MongoDB will automatically create object ID users collection inside TestDB database. Now I before now testing Now before testing invalid object ID, I wanna add some dummy users inside MongoDB collection. So I am gonna create one more API. This API will insert sample users inside object ID users collection. Now I am gonna create get API to fetch user by ID. Here ID means dynamically route params. Using this we can send differently users ID in URL. Now I'll get the ID from request params. Before fetching data, I wanna validate the MongoDB object ID. Mongoose.type.objectID is valid function. Uh, Checks whether the ID format is valid or not. Here 400 means bad request. Now if ID is valid, I'll fetch the user from MongoDB. Now finally I am gonna start the server. Now I am gonna run the server using Nodemon. Here our server is running on 5000 and MongoDB connected successfully. Uh, Now first I'll open this URL in browser or Postman to insert dummy users. Now let's test invalid object ID. Postman is an API tester tool used to test. Now let's test invalid object ID. So basically I am using Postman. Postman is an API testing tool used to test backend APIs. So the method is get and the URL is http localhost 5000 5000 slash users slash 123 and hit it send to send 404 bad request. Here 123 is not a valid MongoDB object ID, so the response will be successful message invalid MongoDB object ID. Now let's test valid MongoDB object ID. So now I'll open MongoDB Compass. Here test DB and object ID users. Now before testing valid MongoDB object ID, first I need to some dummy users inside MongoDB collection. So now I'll open this URL in Postman and here I can create some changes. HTTP localhost 5000 slash user slash add users and success to dummy users added successfully. This API insert sample users inside object user object ID user collection. Now dummy users are added successfully. Now I'll open MongoDB Compass, and if I refresh MongoDB Compass, refresh it. Here you can see it. 3 data are insert successfully. MongoDB automatically generate IDs, object ID for every document. Now I'll copy one valid MongoDB object ID. Now I'll paste this ID inside URL. Success true, and here ID. Now because of this is a valid MongoDB object ID, backend successfully fetch user data. So response become success true data, and here all data are visible. Now if I pass any, this type of validation is commonly used in user APIs, product APIs, CRUD application, real world backend system. In this project, we learn MongoDB Compass uses MongoDB connections, route params, MongoDB object ID validation, find by ID method, proper error handling. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.